Good morning. Let's go ahead and get started with today's schedule. 9:30 assignment 2021 9:30 solve real world problems. There will be a warm-up in the PowerPoint that I will present, which we started yesterday, and we will do a class kick after the check-in. So notes, check-in, class kick, practice, exit, ticket is the schedule. One of the things I want to reiterate as much as possible, and I'll get this so that we can see every part of the screen, is we have part and whole equals percent equals a number over 100. And if it's over 100, we could also change it into a decimal. This is very important for us to know. And there are three types of word problems that we will be encountering. That's find the percent, where we know the part and we know the whole, but we don't know what is over 100 that will give us ultimately the percent. Okay? The second one, let's just label them 1, 2, and 3, is find the part. We know what the total amount is, but we don't know what the actual count is that equals the part. We know the percentage, say like 30%, and we know 30% means 30 over 100, and we'll use that kind of construct to find the part. The other third option is that we know the percentage, say 20%, so that means 20 over 100. But we know the number that represents that 20, but we don't know the whole. So there we have it. Find the percentage, find the part, find the whole. Very important for us going forward. Okay, here's the notes for the already know. And the principal purchased a new fridge for the teacher's lounge, and the fridge was on sale for $90 off the regular price of $300. What percent is this discount? Well, we basically know the part and the whole. We know 90 over 300 equals something over 100, which will ultimately give us the percent. Well, we can divide this by 3. That will make it very easy for us, because going from here to here, just divide by 3. 3 divided into 9 goes 3 times, so that means 30 is over 100, and that is 30%. So that part and whole in this time is equal to the discount over the original price. And the second one is that we know the percentage is 30%, and that equals 30 over 100. What was the regular price if he saved 15? Well, that means we don't know the whole. We know the part, but we don't know the whole, because that 15% or $15 equals 30%. So we don't know this right here. You can take a look at these numbers. They're really easy to determine. That's divide by 2 here and get 15. So if we divide by 2, we get 15 over 50, and 50 is the answer of what was the original price, $50. I'm going to leave example 1 and 2 for you to do, and then we'll get back and pause the video now, and then we'll get back to you. Okay, example 1 means that 60 students were wearing shorts on Wednesday. Shorts. Wednesday. And the number represented 40% of what's surveyed. Part and whole again. I'm just going to put a P and a W for part and whole. We have 60 over what equals 40 over 100, or 40%. Now, if we do the math on that, 60 times 100 equals 40 times that, because we're cross multiplying. That's 6,000 equals 4x. We divide 60 over 4. I'm going to be reminded of that. So 40. And that just means that this is equal to 150. Example 2, we're trying to find the whole again, because Pizza Hut has 9%, that's 9 over 100. Made on Tuesday were pineapples. If 27 were pineapple, what is the whole? What is the total number of pizzas sold on Tuesday? Well, 9 to go to 27 is just by multiplying by 3. So go ahead and multiply the 100 by 3, and you get the whole equals 300 pizzas. Okay, now let's move on to examples of the 3 types. And so what you end up there with there we go, 3 type problems. Hit how many times you get to hit at the up to bat? That's a part to whole. You have 18 out of 20 times. What is that? Is a percentage. 20 times 5 equals 100. So you multiply 18 times 5 and you get 90, and that's 90%. That's finding the percentage. The second one is finding the part. Made and attempts. If he makes 80%, so 80 over 100 equals what over 30? You can simplify that to 4/5, and therefore you multiply 5 times 6 to get 30, and 4 times 6 to get your new number of how many 3 throws he can make. And that makes the made equal 24. This is finding, the third example is finding the whole. We're given the 20%, that's 220 over 100, and we're also given the discount was $5. You can see very easily that we're dividing by 4 easily. 20 divided by 4 equals 5, 100 divided by 4 equals 25, and you get the original price of being $25. I've used simplification because that's easier to use friendly numbers, but you could always cross multiply to get these same things. Okay, let's go ahead and have you do the check-in, and we'll be back in a moment. Here's the check-in answer. So your answer is 25. And that's all for today.